Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back again to my natural studio. I told you, you have to shake your body all the time to be confident, to speak English fluently. You have to show your power in the practice session. Right now, I'm practicing English, right? So I'm shaking my body right now. I'm showing you my power, how I practice English front of the camera, front of the mirror. You have to be crazy because if you want to speak English fluently, you have to be crazy. Every crazyful person success. So you have to be crazy. So brother, in this video, I'm going to share with you most important sum system. If you follow that, you can speak English fluently, confidently. What is this? At first, you have to use some images when you practice in your reading room, when you practice outside, when you practice in the classroom. You have to use images. How? Some brother and sister will tell that how I will use the images. Picture, image means picture, right? Picture. So when you will practice in your reading room, in the classroom, every time you can use images. How? That's, for example, you are making some sentence about mobile phone, so you can take a picture about mobile phone, and with the picture and playing with the picture, using with the picture, just you can make some sentence. Yeah, this is a mobile phone. Yeah, this is a mobile phone, and I like very much using mobile phone. Sometimes I talk with the mobile phone. I talk with the foreign country, with the foreigners. And I called my friend yesterday at night. My friend was very busy. My friend told me, I will call you later. Bro, I can't talk now. I'm very busy. You have to be crazy if you want to speak English fluently. Every crazy man success within short time. So you have to be crazy. Right now, I'm very crazy man. And you are watching me. And I think after watching me, you will tell that, yeah, you are real. And you are also crazy. Without being crazy, you can't success. For success, you have to be crazy. Okay, so at first you have to use images while speaking, while practicing. Second is speak out loud. We practice in the practice session, in the classroom, in the reading room. Just we are trying to memorize the word, memorize the vocabulary, memorize the sentence like this. I play, I don't play. I work, I don't work. I went to my minshing. I will go to my minshing. So you have to remove that. You have to shake your body and you have to speak out loud what I'm saying right now. You have to say like that. I am a student. I will be a student. I want to be fluent English speaker. I want to practice English. I'm practicing English right now. I will go to Dhaka. I won't go to Dhaka. I eat rice. I don't eat rice. You have to speak out loud. So never talk quietly. I will go to Dhaka. I won't go to Dhaka. Don't say that. Don't say like that. Because when you will speak out loud, you will feel confident and your shyness will be removed. Your shy will be removed within short time. Why you can't speak English? We've learned so many vocabulary, so many sentences, so many verbs, so many grammar rules in our life from childhood to college life. But we can't speak English. That's the problem. We don't shout in the practice session. We don't shout in the reading room. We don't talk loudly to speak English fluently. That's the problem. Believe me, from today, use that and speak English loudly with your strong voice, with your loud voice. You will get a good result within short time. Believe me. So number 3 is think in English. We don't think in English. Just we memorize and we try to make sentence, but we don't think in English, right? What you are working right now? I'm practicing in front of the camera, so I can think in English. You are playing football, you can think in English. You will go to Dhaka, think in English. Yeah, I will go to Dhaka and I will take a car, and with the car, I will jump on the car and I will go to Dhaka. Think in English. Just 5 minutes, think in English. And also, when you think in English, you'll get so many vocabulary that you don't know. So if you think in English, So later you can search that and you can find the word meaning, find the sentence, what you are searching, right? So it's very important, think in English. It's the environment of English. Without thinking, you can't speak English. When you talk front of the camera, without thinking, you have to say, right, front of the camera. So at the first time, beginner level, beginner life, you have to think in English, right? What I will say now, what I will say, think in English. Don't translate all the time. What mistake we do, all the time we try to translate. At the first time we say Bengali and then we say English, right? That's the mistake, that's the problem. When you try to make sentence front of the camera, front of the people, I can't make the sentence. What? Why? The main problem is we are very used to translating all the time, right? Stop that. Don't translate. And you can use the English to English dictionary. All the time we use English to Bangla dictionary, right? Try to use English to English dictionary. You'll get easy word meaning, and another it will be English, right? So try to use English to English dictionary for speaking. So my dear viewers, I think this step was very, very important for the beginner level student. And if you think, yeah, it was little bit helpful for me, so never forget to subscribe and make sure your valuable comment in comment section. I will see you very soon with another topic, another video. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.